Today I'm doubling up the ledger screws on the deck, LedgerLOKs. Expensive, heavy-duty screws. I'm a little bit paranoid on this deck, a little bit stressed on it, honestly. So I'm gonna double up the hardware on this ledger. Partly, we may want to put a hot tub on the deck someday. Partly, the upper ledger that holds the roof trusses, the lower bolts go into a stud in the wall, and it pulls the ledger in close to the house, and it pulls it tight, but then it immediately starts to feel like it just slips. And that doesn't give me a lot of confidence that it's holding as much as it should. So I spent the 30 bucks on another box of screws, and I'm just gonna go ahead and double them up today. And then I'll have the peace of mind that I'm never gonna have to touch that again, and the porch is not gonna fall off the house. I don't know if that gave me a lot of confidence or proved my point. Put the whole ledger board just right up tight against the house when I did that. Obviously, a little extra hardware is not gonna hurt it.